Respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers and my dear friends, a warm good morning to everyone. I am Amal from Grade 3 D section in Olive International School, Umslalali branch. Today I am going to recite a poem called Where the Mind is Without Fear. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the really dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Thank you and have a nice day.